Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to buy fractional shares on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be doing this in Client Portal, which is their web interface. First, head to interactivebrokers.com and click the red Login button at the top. Enter your username, password, and complete the two-factor authentication. Once you're in, click the user profile icon in the upper right corner. It looks like a head and shoulders. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now scroll down until you see the Trading section. In the Trading section, click on Trading Permissions. This opens a panel showing all the product categories you can trade. Find the Stocks section and click Add/Edit. If stocks isn't listed yet, click Add to set up stock trading permissions first. On the Stock Permissions page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Regions list. Check the box next to Global in parentheses Trade in Fractions. Then click the Continue button in the lower right. You might see some disclosure statements pop up. Read through them, then click Continue again to submit your permission request. This goes to compliance for review, so it typically takes a few hours or overnight to get approved. Once your permissions are approved, click the blue Trade button in the top right corner of Client Portal. In the search field, type the ticker symbol or name of the stock you want to buy and select it from the results. This opens the order ticket. At the top, select Buy Order to set the direction to purchase. Now, here's the key part. Look for a toggle icon in the quantity field that switches the field from shares to currency like USD. Type the dollar amount you want to invest into that quantity field. You can start with as little as $1. Next, choose your order type, market or limit. If you pick limit, enter the price you're willing to pay. You might see a preview option at the bottom if you want to check how this affects your account balance. When you're ready, click Submit. A confirmation dialog appears. You might see a warning that your order uses fractional shares. That's normal. Just click Accept. Finally, click Transmit to send the order to the market. Interactive Brokers automatically calculates the fractional share amount based on your dollar investment. Your order will appear in the orders panel, and once it fills, you'll see the fractional position in your portfolio. You'll receive dividends proportional to your fractional ownership, and Interactive Brokers tracks fractional quantities to 4 decimal places. If you want to automate this, you can also set up recurring investments in Client Portal to buy fractional shares on a schedule. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.